Welcome to Mechanical Tutorials. I'm going to teach you different techniques in SolidWorks for mechanical engineers. Hi, today I'm going to explain how to create 3D CAD model in SolidWorks. This is a simple component. So let's start the component right now. So new file. Okay. So initially I will start with this boss. Okay, so this is 80 and 60. So select the right plane, select the sketch and keep it normal. So this is $60. Go to extruded boss. And total depth is 80. So I will select mid plane and 80. Say okay. Okay. Save this file. So I am going to change the color for better visibility. Okay. Save it. Now I'm going to create this feature. So the height is 36 from the tangent edge. So 36 plus 30 is 66. So select the top line, go to feature, select the plane. Okay. This is 66. Say okay. Now select this plane and go to sketch, keep it normal, and I am going to create the top flange. So let me draw the rectangle. So this mid plane and this origin should be coincide. Okay. So this is this bit is 60. So I'm going to give 60. Sorry. 60. say okay. Now I'm going to delete this line and add 3-point arc. Here make it tangent, so it's already in tangents. So this will be 30 and the distance between this center line and this edge is 40. See, 40 is mentioned here at this location. Okay, so go to feature, go to extrude, and this distance is 20. Keep it in isometric, flip the direction and keep it 20. Okay, save the file. Now I am going to create this base. So thickness is 20. This is 20. Go to sketch, keep it normal and select this edge, convert entity, this sketch, convert entity. Go to trim option, trim corners. Go to feature, extrude and select up to surface. So this is done. Save the file. Now I need to create this tapered feature. So the height is 40. See, mentioned here 40. So select this face, go to sketch, keep it normal and select this edge and convert entity. Okay, say okay. So base sketch is ready. So next, once again select this face and go to plane. See, as I mentioned, this is 40. So this should be 40. Say okay. Now select this plane, go to sketch, keep it normal and draw one more circle. Move near to this arc and you can see this center and click, place the circle. See the inner diameter, the tapered smaller diameter is 40. So this is 40. Say okay. So we have two sketches. If you want to see the sketch, go to view, show hide options and remove this. So you can see the sketch. So you can see the planes, also two planes. Now go to feature, go to boss. Okay. Select the sketch and select the sketch. Okay. Say okay. So this is done. Now if you want to hide, you can hide it. Okay, now this feature is done. Now I have to create this rib. Rib is 12 thickness. So select the right plane, go to sketch, keep it normal. Here draw one line from here to here. Okay, select this circle, convert this into entity and select this edge, convert into entity and select this circle and this line and make it tangent. Say okay. Go to power trim and undo. Go to trim corners. I think it is not coincide. Okay, now go to power trim and go to corner trim, select these two, and if you, for confirmation, you can click this two also. This is closed. Okay, go to feature, extrude, mid plane. See, this is 12 thickness. So say okay. So whenever we create a model, first we have to create addition of material. So whatever the addition of materials I have done, now I have to go for whole features. So this whole, so 20. So I select this face go to sketch, keep it normal, select the circle and move to the circle, and you can see the origin. Okay, see, this circle is not placed at the origin. Okay, now this is 20. Say okay. Go to feature and cut extrude. See, automatically it shows the material side. Simply click up to next. So material has been removed. So next, select this face, go to sketch, keep it normal, and diameter is 20. Move near to the circle and see the center of the circle. Click here, and this is 20. Say okay. See, this is done. Go to feature, cut extrude, and say up to next. So this automatically material is removed. See, the material is removed now. Now our model is ready. So we have to create the drawing. So save this file, go to new. I want to select A3 sheet. Now model view. Since the model is open, we can see here. Just click here and place it over here. Okay. I can increase the scale if I want. So for example, I can keep 1:1. Okay. So if you don't like 1:1, you can keep 1:2 also. This looks better. I can give the shading of the color. Simply select this. And if I don't want to show this edge, right click here, okay. Okay, place it here. Let's see, that later. Next, save this file. Go to model, click this file, place it here and keep it front view. So my right side view would be front, so I can keep projected view this way and top view. Okay. Now go to annotation, smart dimension. So this distance is 80. This is 60. See, whenever we create any kind of drawing, if circle is complete, then we have to give diameter. If it is an arc, then we have to give radius. This is thumb rule. Okay. So thickness of the rib. Is 12. And the distance between this edge and this edge is 10. Okay. Okay. You can move this here and one, because we have to give one more dimension, distance between this edge and this edge is 34. So you can flip the arrows. Okay, this is done. Next, this thickness is 20. So usually we have to place dimensions outside the components to read the component easily. Okay, so this is 20. Next, distance between this edge and tangent surface is 36. See, whenever we create a dimension to the tangent, we have to see which one, from the center or minimum or maximum. Here is minimum, so maximum would be from this distance to this edge, or center to this, or minimum will be this edge to this edge. So this is 36. Okay, next, this is 20. And this is 40. Okay, next, this diameter is 20. So we have covered all the dimensions. So this distance is not mentioned here, so we have to show like this. This is 60. In this case, if you want to, only one dimension is pending, so if you want to avoid this view, simply give the dimension here, just place it here. I can delete this view. See, all dimensions are covered. This is how we have to create the. Thank you very much.